Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
The Learn, Develop, Live podcast brings you another 1 minute of motivation, and here is today's quote. If you're not doing what you love, you are wasting your time. What is it that you do with your day? Do you jump out of bed with excitement knowing that what you'll be doing each day is going to make you feel fulfilled with happiness and purpose? Or are you dragging your heels out of your pit? There is a very simple answer. Change it. Go and do what it is that you want to do. Stop wasting your time and happiness and go and make the world worth living for yourself.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.